measuring their way into the holidays. These Beaufort Middle School students are proving that the sweetest gingerbread houses are built on a foundation of geometry.
We just finished up a unit on quadrilaterals and their properties, and so they are showing those properties in their gingerbread house and talking about what properties are there in those shapes.
This honors geometry STEAM project is challenging the students to design and construct their houses using at least 7 specific shapes.
We're basically incorporating multiple parallelograms and quadrilaterals, such as triangles, squares, rectangles, trapezoids, and a bunch of other shapes. And we also have to use multiple theorems to back them up because we have to measure everything to exact points.
Before construction began, a representative from the Southern Regional Education Board stopped by to co-teach the lesson. She assisted as the students used an online graphing calculator program to plan and design their architectural masterpieces.
We use Desmos, which is a math program, and we basically just plot points. So we made little blueprints in Desmos and tried to show the scale and stuff.
So we plotted entire houses, front views, back views, side views. We made carports, driveways, pools, gardens, hedges, tons of things.
As the students follow their blueprints, they're using gingerbread, pretzels, icing, and candy to build their houses.
It can get kind of difficult because we have to do everything by proportions. Our Desmos are often proportioned to scale with our projects, and we have to use many materials to cut them out to make sure they're exactly the same.
And so it's kind of hard to make perfect or parallel shapes or quadrilaterals when you're using something as flimsy as graham crackers and pretzels.
This project is a fun way to spread holiday cheer while allowing the students to apply math in real-world scenarios.
It's kind of almost one of those projects where you don't even feel like you're really doing schoolwork, and so they get to show those properties in the project where they get to do it with their hands.
I think it's great because it's the holiday season, and also we just get to incorporate everything that we're learning into fun projects and STEM things.
You're putting them into everyday use, such as something like construction, and not only that, but you're making these hard theorems that would be boring to learn in a classroom, and you're putting it into a fun project that everyone loves, like gingerbread houses.
The Geometry Gingerbread House project is supported by the SREB through the Dudia Remix Calculator Grant. At Beaufort Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.